Okay, today's July the 18th, Thursday, July 18th, 2019. And Michael, look out, look out, look out. Don't go near him. Okay, and Daniel's going to cast a line into Centennial Pond.
Ready?
Gotta see how far you get it.
Ready?
Yep. What do you have to say about fishing?
Pretty good. It's really barely nothing. When you see that going up and down, you got a fish.
Yeah.
And that's why. I'm blinking it because of the sun and because my eyes are really fragile.
Okay,
So
reel it in.
that's why. Okay. Then I do it fast normally because I might catch a fish. Yeah, I didn't.
Today's Daniel's first day of fishing.
And it goes pretty good, right, Dad?
So we gotta clean it off.
Oh yeah.